Well, guys, hello everybody. Okay, and I'm here looking at this freaking book map, and it's eating all the liquidity, guys. And also, so it'll be short video, a lot shorter than on my Russian channel, because on the Russian channel I was explaining everything, painting everything. But in my case here, I can just only walk you through whatever updates on all these coins, and I'll tell you what I'm expecting. And yeah, you can see how guys are trying to long. You see a lot of fat longs are opening here. We're opening here. And at the beginning of my video in my Russian channel, you can take a look at that thing. When I said, when you are pushing the price like that and it doesn't go up, that means it'll go down. And yeah, as you can see, those longs were opening. Now they're just closing. Holy guacamole. And yeah, they're still trying. Look, they're pushing. They're trying to push. I mean, they're not pushing. The price again goes against them. So they're kind of cooked. Okay, guys, let's start with this. BTC taking the liquidity. Point of interest for me, of course, on the major level is this box, like I was saying since probably here. I'm interested in actual 75,000, but in the more real world, I can tell you the probably way thing that we're gonna see is this, taking liquidity of that and flush it from here. And this is actually when we are going to be reversing. Probably it'll go like that, or it'll go like that. Anyway, whatever you buy here in this box is profitable here in any case. Yeah, that's basically easy explanation. And here you can see point of control, POC, how I got this thing. Easy, pretty easy. Okay, look, I go for the fixed range price on the trading view. You go here and you go here, fixed range price. You take the range, let's say it started here, and you pull it to the end. And now you can see where the most volume, and it's not difficult to say where it was. And right now we are trending below this. So I'm expecting the next stop. It would be fantastic, of course. But I'm afraid these guys who are shorting from here, they will start taking profits here. But I assume most of them will start taking profits here. I'm still expecting for these levels, guys. And you can see here, that will be the major level of resistance here. So yeah, hopefully this is where we're gonna go, because I'm still waiting there on my levels. Ethereum. Here I see two levels, but one might not work. It's a Fibonacci on the local. You can see I go from the start of the range till the top, let's say till here. And if BTC goes below, definitely Ethereum will go a lot lower. There is no way you can put stop losses here. Stop losses are here. So it's basically single prints, this candle. And I assume it's gonna take liquidity from here, and take all this liquidity. In the worst case, this, that, and we end up at Ethereum 800. But I assume the most realistic way, what I am going to trade is only this, 1800 to 1500, maybe 1400. This is the only way where I'm going to buy Ethereum. I don't have any Ethereum, I mean, except the one that I got for free at the beginning when we got it. Those who got it. Here another thing. Oh, wow, that was something interesting. For this thing, let me show you guys. This is Solana shitcoin to me. I mean, it's a nice platform, but they ruined crypto space. They created some bullshit stuff. And if we go with the local Fibonacci from here to here, we can see it's already there, but Bitcoin is not even dipping yet. So I assume it's gonna take liquidity from here, right? From this bottom. It's gonna take this, that. I might go for that, and whatever like final stop is 32 bucks. Yeah, it might not happen yet, but whatever I'm gonna buy, my 100% win rate is my strategy. When I see liquidity here, I take 15%. In this case, I'll take 20%. And only from here, actually, I might not even take that. I will start buying only from 100, maybe 105 till like 69 or something. And again, in any case, if it dips here, goes like that before it goes down, it'll buy all my longs from here. And here I'm gonna see already a return, because I usually trade it with like X50 or something. That is gonna be average 2500% return already, in case if we are dipping, not talking about in case if we are going up. So, and the higher positions, the lower price goes, the bigger position for me. So it's like $10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 1,000, 5,000, something like that. It depends on my positioning. Usual, I was showing where I was buying. Usually I was buying here, 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 here. I like the fundamentals. I like that this is actually RWA, real world asset tokenization. But what I don't like here is the fact that it's in the price discovery mode. It's looking where it has its bottom, but it cannot find its bottom. So that's why I'm kind of confused. And I'm expecting if it dips to like 15 cents or 10 cents, I will get more in a spot. I'm not going to long it anyway. It's just stupid. So yeah, and any return back, I just go with a Fibonacci from the upper to the lowest. What the, it's not that. I click that, I go to, let's say dips to like 10 cents. I buy on 10 cents, right? Since if it dips there, I will buy. And it's, yeah, 1000%. Let's make it looking nice, especially usually it trades there. First it'll trade here, of course, but then it might get there. Usual. Doge, Elon Musk. We call him Elon Musk. Point of control here, you see it went so far. Here is a major resistance, liquidity grab from here. I'm expecting that to be taken, so 15% from here, right? And after that, I'm interested in buying everything after 15%. So 16.8, let's say 17 cents, right? 17 cents till 45%. That's where I usually buy, till 10. So guys, if it gets there, my buy will be from here to here. And my average, if it dips to the lowest here, X50, it goes down, goes here. Again, 2500%. Don't over leverage, it'll kill you. Ondo, you know where I work? I know. It's pretty cool, right? So Ondo is my favorite coin so far. I'm gonna make an additional video about RWAs. That's one of the strongest coins in fundamentals, in technicals too. I was buying it from here when it was just having 350,000, 250,000, 300,000 levels, I mean coins, levels of support, and it couldn't go lower. Everyone was just buying it, and I knew, oh wow, that's some big player. And then I learned about this coin, I entered. You can see how it goes. Still holding. I was actually adding on this candle, on this candle, on this candle, on this candle, and I'll add on another candle to here. So I'm telling you before, that's the level where I'm planning to buy. And 75 cents, I already know. 75 cents, it's not a shit coin, but still, I'll go with this. My rule, 100% win rate rule. From here, I'll go to almost 50 cents. Maybe I will get lucky and it'll take all the liquidity from here. It's a lot of people actually don't take profits from here. Believe these guys, they haven't taken profits. I mean, some of them, they're smart. They took here, maybe here. Half of them are still sitting and saying, oh yeah, no, that's a bullshit. It's a bullish market structure. We're just going to the moon from here to here. We might, but then we go. Avalanche, one of not shit coins, and I would go with Avalanche instead of Ethereum because just higher return. And Avalanche also considered RWA. Why would you not go with RWA, right? Here, yeah, that's my level. I printed it long time ago. This is where I'm interested to enter in. 17 to 13, that's my level where Actually, now it's like that because taking liquidity from that low, 15%, and this is where I'm buying. Same thing. I printed that long before. This is how it's gonna work. I actually traded Avalanche. Oh wow, I think that was the candle that I traded, and I held through all that stuff here. So that's what I'm expecting, and I'm expecting all-time high after that. There is no way to go, but BTC might surprise everyone, and they'll be just going here, back, lower, here, and lower to take all that stuff up, including to that thing. Yeah, sweet. Okay guys, that's my favorite. Another one, local. I'm checking for that. I will be buying that. If it dips lower, I will be even longing that. I'm not sure how to behave about that thing. Actually no, I won't be longing that because I don't know what to do with this thing. Their stop losses were at 1 cent or what? If it's just a quick liquidity grab on retest, I'll be entering. But in fact, spot, I'm buying here and I'm buying below. That's my dream. It's Plume Network. You can see my video on there, right there. So yeah, here. Yeah guys, Plume Network, that's levels I'm interested in, and you can see it's basically consolidating, and I'm expecting it to take lower liquidity from here, 8-9 cents, something like that. Ponke, what can I say about Ponke? It's a nice community, nice memes, I have nice laughs after that. I'm expecting if Ponke goes lower, takes all this liquidity, right? Because I entered at 10 cents and it actually went to 20 and I got 100% already money back, but I decided not to sell. I'm expecting lower, maybe 5 cents, and then it'll go maybe like that, or it'll go like that. And in my case, anyways, oops, sorry. Didn't want to F up 1000% almost, right? X10 easily from buying meme coins here. PEPE, the same thing, but the thing why I haven't bought it here, I was telling you guys back to these times, if price goes here, I don't want to buy anything when I see this cascade. This is all liquidity. All those guys were just taking pictures of their balance and sending to their bitches, and maybe someone got a little something after that, but they didn't take profits, so they only took screenshots. And now what happened to them? This is what happened to them. And now it keeps flushing, and I'm expecting it to take all this liquidity. So the coin that I would skip. Sin Futures, fantastic platform for trading futures, with a lot of market makers, with a lot of exchanges, with a lot of nice funds, and everyone who are actually supporting DeFi and all that stuff. Those guys, they're just going nuts. Even the institutionals are supporting that. And that's why I'm like, okay, and I see they're actually in nice accumulation zone. And they remind me of some shit coins, no offense. Look at that. It went to price discovery and it started to pick up something, right? And here it does the same thing. It's on a daily. This is where we can actually or make some money just by 68%. Holy guacamole. And it'll be moving from liquidity to liquidity. It'll be like that, like that, like that, like that. That's what it might do. And then in the end, it'll just go to the freaking moon. And this is where you make shitload of money, guys. USD, I was buying here, 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 here. This one, yeah, keep buying. Puffer just looks nice. Easy X3, potentially grabbing liquidity. 25 cents is the critical level to me. If it goes below, I would not be buying a lot unless I see some great news, but I will be adding slightly to this bag. When something goes below their all-time low, I'm not that convinced. It might be looking for a bottom forever, like in Hedgic. Arkham, where's your Bybit? Ethereum, bitches. It's right there. Okay, guys. Arkham, fantastic project. I love it. It's a blockchain police. I call them that way. Those guys are showing where everything is moving, and it's a pretty useful project. And I'm expecting it to take the liquidity lower. I mean, I'd love to see that. And this is where I'll be heavily buying in a spot. And again, 20 cents, another 750%. I'll take it. From here, I'll just take 75% and we'll ride a moonbag, maybe. Hyper Liquid, right? That's the name of the platform. I'm expecting it to take the liquidity from all that stuff, 15% down, again, same thing. This is where I'm starting to buy. 15 to maybe like $12 or maybe even $10 to take all the liquidity from here. Holy guacamole. I just want a guacamole. Probably I need to fly to Mexico because my wife is still waiting for her visa. Yeah, that's the way. And same thing, guys. I'm getting long. It'll be a long trade. 50% x50 means 2500%. Easy. That's the trade. Fibonacci from here to the higher, right? That's we go from the lowest to the highest point, and it goes exactly, take all this liquidity right into that block. Might be lowest will be about $14 to $15. Virtual, fantastic coin, just great coin. I remember my brother called me and like, what the you know, why it made all that move, like easiest x10 or x15 in his life, but he wasn't in that coin, so it's not his life. When it dips lower, I will be entering. I'll be entering everything after it dips. I don't care about any coins before it dips. Right now BTC is at, oh wow, 91k. Oh, ooh, yeah, absorption is real. 90k is the key. We're gonna see, yeah, you can see they're not even closing yet, so all those longs, they're still sitting in there, guys. It's gonna be intense. Ooh, wow, market maker. I don't want to look at that. It's just too much before I go to sleep. So yeah, virtual, what's that? Okay, yeah, virtual is fantastic buy right here. I have nothing else to say. This block is something that I would get heavily in a spot. Anyways, if it goes lower, let's say we're gonna use more local fib extension from here to potential drop. It's pretty much x3, almost x4. The lower you get, the higher return, right? But you will be scared and you won't get it. I will get it. Same thing with drift. Expecting here and then only reversal, nothing else. Fantastic backing, new coin. A lot of investors, they'll be holding the bottom, I'm pretty sure. Nothing else what I can say. Only to the moon. XRP, guys. Yes, I will make a video that XRP might be freaking going to $10 or higher, or 20 or 50, maybe even to $100, but I'm not sure. Okay, local drop, I would be buying from that. I'm not a fan of XRP. I will only enter XRP from here just to catch this move from here to here. 62%. Yeah, might be funny, but when you buy like a $1 million, it's 620,000. And when housing is collapsing, I mean, if it crashes in the United States, you can get 2 houses for that. For what? For just buying Ripple for a week or less. Yeah, that's basically my plan. I'm not a fan of holding Ripple. I don't like this coin. It's more like a principle. And here, yeah, Popcat dying thing is just for my friend. I would not be getting that. I wouldn't be getting that. It's just some bullshit. But I just want to give him hope. If it takes liquidity to like 13, maybe 10, then it might reverse for the new bull run or something. I don't believe in that, but let's see. And yeah, guys, please let me know in the comments below, what do you want to see? Maybe other coins you want to see some analysis, but I assume we are going to drop a little bit more. After that, of course, we'll see some reversal. And if we finally see some nice backing by longs, this is where I'm going to be entering markets. Or of course, by the ultimately low dip. And remember, if you are trading leverage, make maximum 25, maybe 10 to x25, and use no more than 15% of your full portfolio. If you have $1,000, use only $150 over all coins. Split it for like 5 coins, 5 like the best coins you see, and buy only there from the dip, like I don't know, $1, $5, $10, $15, $20, $30. In example of hyperliquid, let me explain you quickly. Yeah, let's say you decided to trade long trade for this thing, right? What to do here? Okay, we figured out that it's gonna go from 17 to, let's say, 13. This is your level: 17, 16, 15, 14. For that, you wanna trade, let's say you can use only, what, you have $1,000, you have $150, you want to split $30 per each coin. So you do like what, 3, 5, what, 5, 10, let's say 10. Okay, just something about that, or maybe 15. Let's do 15. It'll be a bit more, maybe here you, something like that, right? It's 20, it's 30, 38. But this is the way you put your positioning. So when it goes here, it won't kill you. If you enter here with 15, here is your liquidation even with $1,000. But it goes like that. What do you get? 3, 5, 20. Okay, your average will be somewhere here. And with X50 or X25, that's basically almost like 1,000%. A bit higher, it's 1,000%, X10. And yeah, you bought like $30. X10 is $300, and you're not, okay, it's not 30. Yeah, I lied. Still, it's $200. You're multiplying your portfolio. That's basically the strategy. You find 5 coins, like Ondo, Plume, maybe Avalanche. What else? Arkham, maybe Virtual. I don't know. Maybe XRP will work in that case. Ethereum might work if you buy it here. And yeah, if it only gonna dump from that, if it goes like that and that, you'll make your X2 or X3 of total portfolio over all coins in that case. But you take 50% here, you move stop loss here, and it might never ever come back. Might see this Ethereum at 10K, and you'll be taking a little bit, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, and this 10% will be higher than these 50% here. So I hope that was helpful, and kisses everyone. Bye bye. Wait for my new video, and of course, don't forget to like it.